Hey, beautiful people, welcome to my channel. So, in today's video, I'm not going to be doing the regular, I'm not going to be doing the wig. So, today's video, I wanted to do something different. So, I just wanted to jump on the trend of doing feeding braids using this particular style that I'll be showing you guys in this video. So, guys, this is my first time trying out this, so I don't know. So, just watch and then I hope you learn as well. So the importance of this particular style, I actually like it. I find it very okay. I find it very good because you don't necessarily have to have your front hair bad because you want to make feeding braids. For you know what I mean, for most people that like making Ghana weaving, feeding braids, whatever you call it, but for this one it is a very good style because it's actually protective, so you're not going to be picking the attachment with your front hair. So all you just need is just to weave first before feeding in the braids. I actually like it. I like it. But just watch anyways. Let's see how it turns out. It's gonna be a short video, but I'll just show you exactly how I did all of them. So I'm going to be showing a sample of how I actually went about making this particular feeding braid. And this particular feeding braid, it's actually medium. Like I actually did not do the regular full big. So this particular one is actually medium stick, just medium size, not big and not extremely small. So enjoy, guys. Enjoy the video, beautiful people. And then rate before I forget. You've not subscribed. No. Subscribe now. What are you waiting for? Subscribe and please turn on the post notification bell so that you get notified when next I post a video. And then comment your thought. Comment down below. Tell me what you think about this particular style. And then do not forget to give my video a thumbs up. Thank you, and keep watching. Just enjoy. I don't know why I'm even laughing right now, Sha. But beautiful people, watch now and enjoy.
I came here to party, I'm not gonna lie. So call up somebody, cause I ain't got the time. Nah, nah, I'm feeling myself in the best way. I'm gonna pretend it's my birthday. Got all of my friends going crazy, cause this is how we do. We'll go dancing in the club on a Saturday night. Go driving down Sunset, feeling alright, yeah, yeah. Doing anything we like. We'll go cruising down the beach till the morning light. So wild and free, feeling so alive, yeah, yeah. Doing anything we like. We on that golden state of mind. We on that golden state of mind. We on that West Coast high. And we feeling that, feeling that, feeling it, feel that vibe. We on that. Yeah, we do it better. We don't ever care. Ignoring the pressure, like it's not even there. Nah, nah. We feeling ourselves in the best way. I'm gonna pretend it's my birthday. Got all of my friends going crazy. This is how we do. Dancing in the club on a Saturday night. Go driving down Sunset, feeling alright, yeah, yeah. Doing anything we like. Oh, cruising down the beach till the morning light. So wild and free, feeling so alive, yeah, yeah. Doing anything we like. We on that golden state of mind. We on that golden state of mind. We on that West Coast high. And we feeling that, feeling that, feeling it, feel that vibe. We on that. We on that. I came here to party, I'm not gonna lie. So call up somebody, cause I ain't got the time.